After the successful installation, you should download the sounds that we provide to avoid error messages, and you will also be notified by Sentinel in case of corresponding actions. So please download the corresponding file, which I also provide here under the video. You will then have this sounds folder, which is a sound zip, which you unzip and take exactly this sounds folder. Then go to your documents folder, NinjaTrader, 8 using templates, TPTE, resources, strategies, TPTE, Sentinel. You will now find these 4 folders here. Then move this sounds folder exactly into, and you're done. This folder contains many ready-made sounds that we have produced, which represent the corresponding functions. This is practical in that you also get an acoustic alarm of a message. So much for now. We'll see you again in another video. So much for now. So much for now. We'll see you again in another video. Until then.